Hello, Valerie, and everyone over there at Inertia Massage. Thank you for connecting with me on Facebook. I am Charles Marine. I am the owner of Your Local SEO Professionals. We're a small company that helps small businesses and attract clients who are looking for the services locally. So I took a look at your website. Thank you for sending it to me. And I just have a couple of tips I want to give you for you to be able to rank better in Google searches. As we can tell, more and more people are searching for local services on Google. In fact, I think the statistics are about 90% of adults, when looking for local services, they search on Google. 70% of them click on the very first page. So, for example, if I searched for massage in Harrisburg, PA, this keyword, massage Harrisburg, PA, 70% of people will click on this first page. So that's why I say it's important to rank on the first page. More clients will come to you, and you'll be able to convert more clients and therefore grow your business. So the three tips I want to give you today are to do with three main things that help you rank in Google. First one is content, second one is citations, and third one is backlinks. So without any further ado, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. So when I mention content, everything I've highlighted is content. All the text, the images, even Google, believe it or not, the words, whatever's saved behind the images. For example, this picture, you can see it's saved. You've saved it. Whoever did your website saved it as some random numbers and letters. Google counts that as content. To be optimal with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, and it has to be authoritative text, meaning showing exactly what you do, text explaining your services, your locations, and that shows that you're an authority in what you do. And along with that, it's important to saturate your site, all the text, with keywords. And by keywords, I mean the phrases that people can search for. For example, Google, if I put in massage Harrisburg, PA, that's one keyword, and Google always suggests other keywords that people would search for. So that's it for content. Make sure you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, and make sure it's authoritative. I think right now you have about 200 words or so. Make sure it's authoritative. Make sure it includes keywords that people use to search for your services. Second thing I want to mention is citations, and that has to do with this section of the Google search results. So once again, I typed in massage Harrisburg, PA, and the first thing you see here is called the map pack. Well, usually there are usually some advertisements, Google ads, that come before this map pack. And with Google ads, it's always hit or miss. I guess there's no one in your location who's running these Google ads right now. Actually, there's one at the bottom of the page here. Now, a lot of people these days have ad blocker. So this company is missing out on a lot of the targeted market if the targeted market is using ad blockers, and we know they're getting more and more popular. But back to citations. So how do you rank in this area here? This area is called the map pack. You have a map and 3 companies. If you click on view all, you'll see other companies within that local area. First one here, I can see this is a Google ad, so they're paying to have that. Usually Google ads are pay-per-click, and you're not guaranteed that people are going to actually convert to actual clients, but you are paying for them to visit your website. So how do you rank high in this area here, this map pack? It comes down to citations. And you may be asking, what is a citation? A citation is wherever across the internet in different directories, wherever your business name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories across the internet. For example, directories like Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnos, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, Whitepages.com, LinkedIn, Yelp, etc. All those are reputable directories. So the way to rank here is to have your business name, address, and phone number in more and more directories, reputable ones online. There are different tools you can use to actually look at your competition's businesses and find out how many citations they have and where they're cited. And then it's a simple job of just making sure you're cited in the same directories. And then not only that, doubling or tripling the number of citations so that you remain in this area here, the map pack. The third thing I want to talk about concerns this area that's below the map pack, which is called the organic search listings, and how to rank here. The majority of it comes down to backlinks. Now, backlinks, to explain them, I think it's helpful to think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages that are linked together. A backlink would be a link on a different web page that points or directs people to your website, to any page of your website. So let's say there's a forum in Chicago about massage therapy, and a blog is written which includes your website, pointing to one of your pages on your website. That would be considered a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, and I have a tool that analyzes websites and looks at your backlinks. I took the liberty of putting in your website address here, and I analyzed it a little bit. I looked over it a bit. Just one thing about backlinks, this tool can tell me the distribution, the strength of the backlinks from 0 to 100, and we can see that a lot of your backlinks are from 0 to 10. It would be important to get higher quality backlinks so that you rank higher when it comes to this Google search. Now let's take your competitor here, Hand and Stone Harrisburg, and let's place them into the tool. I want to analyze and see why they're ranking much higher than you. And they don't have as many backlinks, but they have a lesser percentage that are from 0 to 10. And then they're ranking for a lot more organic keywords than you are. For example here, Massage Harrisburg, PA. Remember how I said you need to saturate your site with these keywords? And you can see that, for example, Massage Harrisburg, PA, 150 people search for that every month. They're in position 1, and they get 43 people traffic into their website. So that's a lot of traffic. So if we were to help to improve the content, citations, and the backlinks of your website, include more of these keywords, you'd be able to grab a lot of this traffic. In fact, I can boil down to this keyword and see how much traffic it draws. You can see here 48 people are coming from Hand and Stone Harrisburg, and these other websites are grabbing a lot of that traffic. So if it was possible to let's see, are you down here? I don't see, you're not ranking for this. Oh, here we go, massageharrisburgpa.com. You're number 21, which means position 21 is probably on the 3rd or 4th page of the Google search results. I'm sure you're not grabbing any traffic because of this keyword. So it'd be important to saturate with good keywords that have a lot of traffic, so you can grab, as your website gets better and better in terms of Google ranking, you can grab a lot of the traffic and have more clients. One last thing I wanted to mention about backlinks. Like I was saying, not all backlinks are the same. So a lot of the time, you might have backlinks that are lower quality, meaning, for example, let's say Pizza Hut is linking to you. That's not a good backlink. Obviously, Google can tell you guys are in the different businesses, so therefore it will see it as a kind of spammy link and not count it as much. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content and content, citations, and backlinks. I hope this has helped you. You can share this video with your website person, your SEO person, and help you let them use the tips to help you start ranking more and attracting more clients, having more people find you. If you'd like to work together with me, again, I am Charles Marine. Where's my picture? Here's my picture. My email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. And this is my phone number up here. I'd love to talk to you and see if we can partner together, if it would be a good fit. Otherwise, no harm, no foul. If you do not want to, you can pass on these tips to whoever helps you with your website, and hopefully you'll get more clients. All the best. Thank you very much for your time.